see why they're so popular. There's tons of mods available, and in this one, we're going to be upgrading the audio system. Come on, check it out.
And then on this one, the Skar. The team lift, bro.
The owner already had the equipment, but had been quoted some outrageous prices in order to get the install completed. I'm here to prove that a quality installation does not have to break the budget. This Skar single box bass bundle came with the amplifier, the wiring kit, and 3 8-inch subwoofers in a vented box. I think this is going to be great. Now on to the installation process.
Got battery wire here. This comes around through a hole right here.
I'll attach the power distribution fuse to the Crosstrek's fuse box cover. It keeps it close to the battery and makes for a tight and clean installation location. I'll route the power wire under the carpet on the driver's side, under the back seat, and then into the rear cargo area.
Now the problem with this amp is it doesn't have any low level inputs. Ugh, it's got this guy though.
So I'm adding in a Metro low level converter, and the last part you'll need for installation is a fuse tap holder for the Skar amplifier's remote turn on lead. I'm piggybacking on the 15 amp radio accessory trigger anyway. Since the bass knob uses a 3.5mm jack, I wanted to make sure that the wiring wasn't going to get kicked as you get in and out of the vehicle. Securely held in place to the back of the interior fuse box cover, it just snaps right back into place. Easy to access, and it's looking good. Now it's on to the amplifier wiring termination. I was lucky enough that my brother was able to get a couple of shots of me doing the work. Thanks a lot, bro. For an ideal chassis ground, I'll go ahead and remove the paint where I know the ground is going to be terminated. To test the bass knob, turn it all the way down and plug it in. Should kill the bass. I'll use the provided zip ties from the OFC kit for wire management.
What's that, bro?
Here in the driver's B-pillar, I've got my low-level converter routing the RCAs to the rear seat. Looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and give it a test and see how everything sounds. I can go ahead and manipulate the bass knob in order to increase the bass, just to make sure that the woofers are playing properly. Yep, those 3 little 8s do clip out the microphone and the cell phone. I know that it's going to work.
It's definitely not been too loud.
You think so?
Oh yeah.
I don't know, I thought it sounded okay. It's got a lot of blue back there, huh? These cars are sweet. Look, check it out. I'm going in on the back end. Skar audios. Wow. Man. These little 8s. And there's 3 of them. Yeah, a totally vented enclosure. Oh man, you can't go wrong things. Oh, this one's next with the tents.
Thanks for joining along with me on this ride. I wouldn't want to do it without you. I have to see you next time.